How to turn on or turn off color inversion shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Next, tap on vision enhancements. Now from here, we scroll down and tap on color inversion. Tap on the left hand side panel. Then tap on color inversion shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to allow you to add in shortcuts. Here you have 4 different shortcuts that you can use. You can use one or all of them. So we've got a quick panel, so you can add the shortcut to quick panel. You can also add it to your accessibility button at the bottom corner here. You can also use the volume up and volume down buttons as well as the side button combinations to open up the menu. So here, press side and volume up buttons, press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. Now select the shortcuts that you would like to use, then tap on OK. Here you can see if I tap on the accessibility button, a menu will appear. I can then tap on it to turn on color inversion or turn it off. I can also swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. And from here, if I expand out the full menu, I can also use the shortcut to turn off color inversion. So that is another way. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.